Hello, I'm Bia Michelini, Senior Director, Clinical Trial Management at MedBase. I bring over 20 years of CRO experience and have globally managed clinical trials in over 25 countries in the Americas, Europe, Asia Pacific, and South Africa regions throughout all phases of development.
I'm Juliana Castro, Senior Clinical Trial Manager at MedBase, and I'm located in São Paulo, Brazil. I bring over 15 years of experience in clinical research and trial management. I have experience managing regional and global studies from early to late phase. We are a part of MedBase's Latin America team of clinical operations experts, providing operational oversight, specializing in infectious disease studies from studies conducted not only in Latin America, but also on a global scale. We work alongside global medical, regulatory, safety, and laboratory experts at MedBase to accelerate clinical trials in antivirals, antibacterials, antifungals, vaccines, and immunotherapies. The multilingual clinical operation team in Latin America is made up of clinical trial managers, clinical research associates managers, project coordinators, and clinical trial assistants. A dedicated infectious disease and vaccine medical director in Latin America works closely with the clinical operations team, adding an additional layer of expertise to the region while providing disease and protocol training to the teams, driving the highest quality performance.
Our regional clinical trial managers located in Argentina, Brazil, Chile, and Mexico have extensive backgrounds and are key players to study success while leading not only regional trials, but global trials. This strong team has over 31 combined publications. All have previous CRA or site clinical trial experience, and most have a postgraduate degree, including master's, PhD, and MDs. CRAs at MedBase also often have advanced degrees or are working towards obtaining advanced degrees. In addition to the 3 to 6 months job-specific training, for example, our professionals achieving CRA excellence program, an advanced infectious disease training program is prepared by our medical monitors for our infectious diseases team members. This program adds to their skills and the understanding necessary to overcome any challenges associated with infectious diseases studies. Our infectious diseases experts have country and region-specific expertise, allowing us to seamlessly integrate local language, culture, and requirements into study conduct. MedBase offices are strategically located around the world, including regional offices in Latin America, creating stronger relationships with investigators while delivering faster startup timelines to drive effective patient-centric recruitment efforts. MedBase has offices in Argentina, Brazil, and Mexico, as well as a strong team in Chile and operational partners in Peru, Colombia, and Central America. MedBase has provided operational excellence in Latin America since 2006. Our Latin America team continues to grow, and our capabilities are expanding while we enhance operational efficiency to meet the evolving demands of the clinical research industry.
Latin America supports approximately 10% of clinical research worldwide. The region is well known for its high recruitment capacity and is usually added in several studies in a later phase to rescue unmet enrollment from other regions. By expanding our local team, we aim to shift this trend, positioning Latin American countries as key contributors from the early stages of study planning. This proactive inclusion accelerates startup timelines, enhances enrollment, and enhances population diversity within studies. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Latin America played a key role in the development and study of new vaccines and treatments. According to the Pan American Health Organization, 10.2% of the global COVID-19 clinical trials were conducted in Latin America, demonstrating the impact of this region in accelerating clinical development.
Seasonality plays into infectious diseases trials in LATAM, especially for seasonal respiratory infections, including influenza, and vaccines to those respiratory infections. Our seasons are opposite to the Northern Hemisphere, so when there is enrollment downtime for other regions, the Southern Hemisphere kicks in, allowing us to have year-round coverage for seasonal infectious diseases. The Latin America region has strong enrollment expertise contributing to the overall success and execution of global clinical trials. The region's site staff are active and engaged, and many sites often have dedicated clinical research staff to facilitate day-to-day clinical trial activities. The principal investigators, PIs, are very hands-on and dedicated in the Latin America region. MedPay CRAs have strong relationships with PIs, and this collaboration leads to strong site engagement and more seamless trial management.
Regulations have constantly been revised over the last years in Latin America to be more aligned and harmonized with European and American regulations, and to help with improved predictability of requirements. Brazil has recently approved a new regulation that will expedite regulatory approvals in the country, bringing more opportunities to the region. MedBase provides regulatory intelligence and expertise with a local specialized regulatory team to comply with country-specific requirements, leading to reduced approval timelines. We have regulatory experts on the Latin American team that are actively involved in regulation changes. For example, one of our regulatory leaders in Argentina is a member of a local CRO chamber that meets regularly to discuss insights on current health authority decisions and upcoming regulations changes, allowing MedPace to stay knowledgeable and informed on regulatory aspects. Additionally, we have a local logistics team to support the importation of investigational products and ancillary supplies. This expertise and support make logistics seamless for the sponsor and provides the alternative solutions when necessary. MedPace works closely with vendor depots in Latin America region, making importation and exportation more time efficient and cost effective.
Including LATAM countries early on at the study startup phase can help accelerate enrollment while adding diversity into the study population. We'd love to share more with you about our capabilities in Latin America and globally. If you have an upcoming project that needs seamless execution, contact us through our website and we will be in touch.